Previously on Lifestyle by KAM, a few days ago, I showed you guys how to transform basic, everyday, really boring faux locks into exquisite, beautiful goddess locks. And today I'm going to show you guys how to install that. This is the braiding pattern I'm going to use for this. As you can see, I have regular cornrows and then I have individual braids all over the perimeter of my head. As you can see, the place where alopecia is chopping off my hair, it's really evident in this clip. But let's not concentrate on that. I'm just going to show you the regular crochet everyday method. So you're going to insert your crochet pin, you're going to pull the hair through the pin, and then you're going to attach the rest from under, as with every crochet tutorial. I'm speeding this up because it's the same thing and it's really self-explanatory. So you guys, I'm sure you've watched other crochet tutorials before and you know that it's the same thing, so there's really nothing special about this part. I'm just going to speed through and I hope you subscribe, leave a comment, and ask me any questions you want to ask down in the comment section. As you can see, I'm progressing with like 1 inch apart, but I'm still going ahead and doing it. Hi guys, so I'm in the middle of filming and I decided that the small extensions that were here were a little bit too small and I didn't like that. Jesus Christ, my makeup. So I'm going to take that off and then I'm going to redo it and come back. And also I kind of had like a little meltdown, but your girl looks fly, so yeah, I'm going to keep doing that. So here is what my hair looks like rebraided. They are a little bit bigger now. I'm just going to keep filling up the crochet hair. I'm just going to keep filling up the cornrows with the crochet hair, and I'm just doing the same basic repetitive process. The key to what I'm doing is I skip one cornrow and I make sure that I do the cornrow like for one in front, one behind, one in front, so that way it makes the cornrows look fuller. It appears fuller than actually it is, because I cannot just bulk everything on like cornrow to cornrow. I have to give that allowance of making it like doing the forward and backward thing. So I've proceeded to the front of the hair and I'm just crocheting from underneath the hair. I'm going to put the crochet underneath. I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to pull the hair out, and then I'm going to grab my hair and the individual braid together, and then I'm going to pull and tighten it so that this way they are both secured. And then to hide the individual braid, I'm going to insert like how long my hair is. I'm going to insert the crochet needle from there, and then I'm going to take it to the front and I'm going to pull my actual real hair through the crochet pin so that it enters my hair. And then as you can see, it's hidden perfectly, so that way all of my hair is looking really natural. I'm going to repeat the same technique in this one, so watch closely. So here's what everything looks like, and I'm pretty excited. So I'm going to go in with hair from Trendy Tresses to give that like the loose curl look all over the hair. So I'm going to go in, and now I'm going to start filling those spots that are really too evident, because remember I was doing one forward, one backward, one forward. So I'm going now and I'm filling those the like I'm feeling the space. I'm filling the spaces in between so that it makes my hair full and more real. It makes my hair fuller and it covers up everything so that it doesn't really look like it was crochet. It looks more professional and more goddess-y or bohemian-ish. I don't know what the actual name for this hairdo is, but I'm guessing it's a twist between goddess and bohemian locks. So here's what we have after everything. And it looks pretty rad. Oh my gosh, I love my hair, by the way. My ideal kind of faux locks is the one where it really looks dated, like they really look old and messy. That's my ideal kind of goddess locks. So I hope that this one does the trick for me. And then also I'm going to check on my balding spot behind it to see if it's really a mess. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Tomorrow I'm going to do proper makeup and do a better intro, but everything still the same. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with friends and everything, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. As always, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, share with friends. I will be answering any questions you have on the hair, so leave a comment and I will answer you. Follow my social medias and you can ask me anything. I'm going to reply. Until my next video, I love you guys.